You know how difficult it is for us type 4 girls to do passion twists without stretching our hair? Because the extension just doesn't blend well with our hair and it ends up looking tacky, frizzy, or even unraveling. Well, I got you. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make boho passion twist and how to tuck your hair in your passion twist so that it lasts longer and it doesn't unravel. Now for this method, the extension is key. It is the most important part of this tutorial and I'll be using passion twist from Darling and Mali hair from Xpression called Bouncy Kinky. Now because of the texture of the Mali hair, it will be easy for our hair to blend in the extension and also make it difficult to unravel. Now for the boho look, I'll be using this curly extension from Darling. It is their latest collection. It is synthetic, so it will be prone to freezing and tangling, but will also teach you how to maintain it. We'll be starting off with freshly washed hair. It is very important that your hair is clean before you put it in its protective style. And then I'm going to moisturize using this Hawaiian silky leave-in conditioner, and I will apply generously to every strand on my scalp. Then I'll go ahead to seal it in with the oil, and I'm going to be using the Avila hair volume oil today, and I'm going to apply it on my scalp and also on my hair. Now for parting, I just divided my hair into two halves and then I divided the front into two halves. Then I went ahead to do the back off camera. I do not have a mirror behind me, so it was difficult doing that. For extensions, I am using both passion twist and Mali hair, but I will divide the Mali hair into two, then fluff them out. I'm dividing the Mali hair because I don't want my twist to be too big. Now for the curly hair, I'll be saturating it with leave-in before separating the piece I need, just so it doesn't tangle up. As I said, it is synthetic hair, so you want to be like really careful and very gentle with it. I'll be using the shine and jam to clean up my patterns and also use it to tuck my natural hair in the extension. Now a little hack for the natural girls. If you want the shine and jam to actually hold your hair, just mix it up and open it for a while just so it hardens up. You know how the shine and jam is like usually like really soft? If you do that, it will harden it up and it will make it very easy for you to like use with your hair and to also like hold down your hair. And I promise you that it will get the job done. I didn't do it in this tutorial, but I've tried it severally and it has never failed. Now for the install, I'll be doing two methods. The first will be me gripping the hair from the roots and then just braiding down for a couple times and then I start twisting. I already added the curly paste to the Mali and passion twist, so I'll just pull it out as I go. Now the key to getting your hair tucked in firstly is to use the braiding jam to just slick it a bit, and then you go ahead to hide it between the two extensions. And then another key is to twist tightly for places where your hair is, and then you can go ahead to do a loose twist when your hair is out of the way. So all I'm doing is just making sure that I am hiding my natural hair in between the extension that I am using. Now to get a uniformed size, I just went ahead to add a little piece of Mali hair just at the point where my hair ends, just so we can have that even chunky size from start to finish. And then after that, I just twist loosely. One thing about this look is that it doesn't have to be neat or perfect, so basically anyone can do it. I'll show you this method again and then we'll go ahead to do the next method, which will be the crochet method. Another very important key to making your hair blend with the extension is using an extension color that matches your hair color. I couldn't get a color 2 because my hair is like a color 2, so I had to use jet black, which is color 1, but it still worked, so I'm not really mad at it. One thing I almost forgot to say, which is very important, is that the way you twist is very important. And trust me, it is not a big deal. All you just have to do is twist in the same pattern as the curl of the passion twist extension that you are using. As you can see, I am twisting to the right in this video, but if you still don't understand what I mean, when you get your passion twist extension, just try to twist to the left and also twist to the right, and then just go with whichever method is giving the passion twist look. I hope this is helpful. Just let me know in the comment section if this explanation is helpful. Moving on to the second method, and that will be the crochet method. I'm just going to braid down just my natural hair a few times, and then I'll be doing a 3-strand braid for that. Just braid it down as you would do for like individual braids, and then I'll pass my crochet hook through the root of my hair, open the latch, and then attach all the extension to the latch hook, to the open latch, and then pull just one side of the extension through. Now you can do this anyhow you want, really. You can add the pieces one after the other, but I do not really like to waste time, which is why I am just pulling it through at once, just as you can see right now. It is also very important that you hold that middle that formed a loop so that you can pull out one part of the hair through easily. Now the only difference between this method and the first one is the installation. We'll still go ahead to braid down and then twist. This crochet method is very nice for people who do not know how to grip for braiding. And then instead of braiding it down at the root, you can also just go ahead to use rubber bands to hold it down if you can't braid at all. And trust me, you are still good to go because it gives pretty much the same results. I'll show you this method one more time just so you can get a proper hang of it if you didn't get it this first time. So we're going to talk about the curls and how to maintain the curls in a minute, but before then we need to go on a short music break because this is really going to keep you going. Trust me, I really hope that you enjoy this, and I hope I don't get a copyright for this, so enjoy. Welcome back from that long, short break. So now let's talk about maintaining the curls. First thing I did is not to use too many curly pieces. I just added in one, skip the next, then add again to the next one, so that way the curly pieces would not be too much, and then it will also reduce the amount of freezing and tangling that I will get. Now another thing you need to do is detangle and moisturize it from time to time using leave-in conditioner. For detangling, all you just have to do is like separate it and then like trim off the parts that are already looking nasty and frizzy. However, because it is synthetic hair, it became frizzy after a week and a few days, so I just cut off the curls and then I just rocked the twist for a few more days before I took it out. Now this is the crochet method again. I really do hope that you get it this time, and then I will do the rest off camera and show you how it looks like. But let me know which of the two methods you'd prefer in the comment section. And voila, here is the final result. I'll just pull my hair back and then go ahead to lay my edges using the got to be styling gel, the one in the black tube. It does it for me all the time. This bad girl can hold your life together. Now when it comes to edges, I don't do too much, just a little sweep here and there and I am good. Now after that, I'll be using my Avila hair volume oil all over my scalp, just to keep it yummy, moisturized, fresh, all that good vibe. After oiling, I like to go in with a massage just to get the oil everywhere basically. And then I love to go with the mousse, the above mousse, just to set the hair right. And then I go ahead to apply our Sheen from Ultra Set. The smell is divine. Like it does the do basically. Now that you have put all the concussion and everything in your hair, you want to get everything together, and to do that I'm just going to tie my hair down in this pink satin scarf, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer to get the hair set, get my edges and the mousse dry.
6 hours later.
Now I'm just joking. Now we'll take the scarf off and y'all better be ready for the reveal. And baby, this look is giving. It is giving vacation. It is giving beach hair. It is giving soft life. It is giving a girl that knows her worth and is not interested in suffering, and I am living for it. I have 35 twists all together and it is not heavy at all. Like this hair is not heavy at all. I do hope that you love and enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Drop beautiful comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one. Let's just do a little bit of swoop here and there, and then bye y'all.